they'll drive through the cool of the night. "14 hours later, and 2 states away, Shirley arrives at the sanctuary.
Good girl, Shirley. This is a palace.
The press stands by for Shirley's big moment. Tara is the first to return to the barn. She'll be the first elephant Shirley has laid eyes on in over 2 decades. No one can predict how she'll react. Solomon can tell Shirley's going to be fine. But the time's come for him to do something he's been dreading. This will be the last time he bathes his old friend.
She's gonna love it. I really do. Nice place. I'm gonna miss her. Yeah. No. She don't have to wear that chain anymore. Take care of yourself, girl. When I saw this play, I told her that there'll be no more change. She's free now. And I just thought about, I don't know who was the first to put a chain on her, but I'm glad to know that I was the last to take it off. She's free at last. I miss you, Shirley. My big girl.
At nightfall, the last elephant, Jenny, returns to the barn. Trumpets and rumbles echo into the morning. Carol and Scott have never seen a reaction like this. In their desperation to get closer throughout the night, Shirley and Jenny have bent the steel bars between them. Scott finally manages to pry open the gate so Shirley can get through, and the reunion is complete. They say, an elephant never forgets. Almost 25 years ago, the two were together in a circus. Jenny had just been brought from Asia, only an infant. Perhaps Shirley was her comfort and mother in this strange new land. These two old friends are the closest thing to family they will ever know. They are comrades, survivors in a captive world. With Jenny by her side, Shirley stands to face her future. Home at last, they'll live out their days together.